Did you know Moringa is packed with 18 amino acids? Let's break it down. It's a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids, what your body needs but can't make on its own. Like leucine for muscle repair, lysine for calcium absorption, and tryptophan for mood support. Moringa also contains isoleucine and valine, vital for energy production and endurance. Phenylalanine keeps your brain sharp, while threonine helps maintain healthy skin and connective tissues. With our Moringa capsules, you get all these essential amino acids in a convenient, easy-to-use form. Moringa doesn't stop there. It's also rich in 9 non-essential amino acids that support overall health. Like alanine for energy, arginine for circulation, and proline for healthy skin and joints. And let's not forget glutamic acid, which boosts mental focus, and glycine, known for its calming effects. All of this, packed into one amazing plant. No wonder it's called the Tree of Life. Fuel your body with the amino acid powerhouse. Try Moringa with berry today. Moringa, the amino acid boost you didn't know you needed.